Two methods to hard reset TP Link Deco M4. Method 1. Reset using the physical button. It's located on the bottom of your device in the notch, so you need to grab a paperclip or pin to press it. So press it once and look at the indicator at the top of your device. Now it's blinking yellow. You need to wait until it starts blinking blue, and then you need to set up your device from scratch. The second method allows you to back up your router settings and restore in one click on New Setup. In TP Link Deco application on your smartphone, hit the Network Configuration tile. Tap three dots at the top right. Select Remove. Select Backup now. Backup complete. Wait 5 seconds. Tap Remove to reset your Deco unit to factory defaults. You will be suggested to restore your settings on New Setup. Thanks for watching.